Hello everyone. Today we have a very useful video. If your phone is constantly draining its battery and tracking your personal data to show you targeted ads, you are not alone. I will show you exactly how to disable these hidden advertising features and delete your unique ad ID to speed up your device immediately. Let's get started. First, open your phone's main settings app. Scroll down until you find the Google section and tap on it, then select the All Services tab at the top. Tap on Ads, select Ad Privacy, and simply go through the list to toggle off every single slider you see. This step is crucial because these hidden settings allow your phone to constantly monitor your app usage in the background to build a profile on you, which heavily drains your battery and slows down performance. If you don't see Ad Privacy in this specific menu, then simply use the search bar at the very top of your main settings app and type in Ad Privacy to jump straight to it. Next, press your back button once to return to the main Ads menu. Tap on Reset Advertising ID and confirm it. Then immediately tap on Delete Advertising ID and confirm that as well. Doing this completely erases the hidden tracking number assigned specifically to your device, stopping developers and third-party apps from being able to target you with personalized pop-ups. If your phone doesn't show the delete option, simply resetting the ID still breaks the tracking link to your past data, which drastically reduces the amount of targeted ads you will see. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.